Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to transform Optimus Prime to a vehicle mode. So this is how he looks like. Right. To transform this on robot mode, it's a bit hard to get him up really if you don't know how to align his foot properly. So it has to be a bit slant on that side, so this one lay flat on the ground and this will stand no problem. Right, so let's begin the transformation. First of all, I'm going to start to work out on the legs one. So open the knee, open it up, and this one, put it back together. So well done. You just fold this bit of plastic from his heel and slide through the bumper. As you can see, this moves up and down. Right, open up his toe. That's how you close it. And then we align here. His legs, so it's the other side. Right, and that will do for now. Next thing to do, you need to get rid of this gun. To do that, we can just simply slide this bit here and we can pull it from here. On the side. So basically, these pegs here where the gun is, this thing here moves backward and forward. So basically it shows his missile or something. Right, so you plug the gun through that peg here. Right there. Come take it out. So now from here we can push this center and then clip it to that bottom there. What it does really is release it to make all that sounds and unique transformation style. The next thing to do is you pull this bit out. Right, make this straight. So as that side, we lift this up. Right, see, goes like that. There you go. So now this is how it looks like. Oops, sorry. I accidentally pressed the button. So next thing to do is this back side to fold it right to the front. What you do is twist this a little bit, bring it right towards you, right, and then fold it right down. Release, bring it towards you and fold it down. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna bring all these bits right to the front. Right. Right. So now they're both in front this side panel. Right. What do we need to do now? Is from his hips that connects to the body, you have to release that, unplug it, and then bring all these legs right to the top. You can see from here, clip it on the back. Oops, sorry, I pressed this button here, right here. So now, next thing to do is bring all this leg all the way to the front. Right. This, bring it all the way to the back. From here, I can plug this together, plug the pegs, that's it. Wait till you hear it click. Right. And then we start folding the arms back. Do that. Lift this bit up. Open the compartment there. Put his arms. Open the compartment there. Right. So the best thing to do with this one is make sure we align it that way, and that clips there connects to that panel there. There you go. There you go. Now we get these top bits here. This one joined together. As you can see, there's a clip that connects to that slot there. go. They all clipped in together. So now what you have to do here is we clip that pegs here right onto the top of that. You can see there's a slot over there where this one clicks in. This one you don't need to apply more pressure. And it's nearly done. Final bits we have to do is just the front bit. To do now, right, bring this right to the front. There you go. There you go. Oops, sorry. Now all I have to do here is just align this side panel to the front. There you go. Right. Now, finally. There you go. That's all. That's all really. Job done. And then this gun here, we plug it to the back side of here. There you go. So that is it. A fully transformed Megatron to a robot. I mean to a truck. Thank you. That's all.